John Hall, Managing Director of Enlightened Boating. We produce both cross-country and easy topper boats. We make the boats out of infused fibreglass and foam, which has the advantage of both strength, lightweight, quietness and unsinkable. Today we're on the water on a beautiful day and we're testing our brand new model, a 4.5 Lapstrake. It has a 30 Suzuki on it and we're testing it to check performance. We'll also be doing this boat as a car topper where we expect the weight to come in at around 115 kilos. This boat's somewhat unique in that it has a Lapstrake design, and with the 30 horsepower we're doing around 25 knots 2-up in gear. Obviously we'll rate it to probably a 50 horsepower, which should give 40 plus knots.